So guys, we're going to wrap up my packing now. As you can see, my luggage looks a little set. So that one's already weighing around 23 kgs, which means this one has to be around 22 to 23 because that's the weight that I can take in my airlines. But this one is definitely crossing 25. Now I am really scared that I don't want to pay a hefty sum to the airlines. However, there's a travel hack for you that you all must know about. Whenever you're traveling and you need to carry a lot of luggage, don't forget to get these vacuum bags because they help you save a lot of space. And that's made my life much easier.
So here I am on my way to the Mumbai International Airport and I am just so excited. Also, I never thought I'd say this as I'm going just for a year, but I'm really gonna miss my family. Oh, they're just smiling in the photograph. They all cried, okay? It was kind of cute. Finally done with all the check-ins and now I am here in paradise buying some chocolates from duty free. It's 5 am in the morning and I'm witnessing this beautiful sunrise over the Egyptian horizon. I had my layover at Cairo and I tried to use my time very productively. I've made a few friends. Obviously, they helped me click a few pictures and make videos. We spoke about where they are going in the UK. I tried to spend some time reading a book because I had another long flight. And finally, I am tracking how soon I'm going to reach my destination. Super excited. Tada! I see London and I can't express how happy I am. It's as if all those dreams and manifestations are finally becoming real. So I'm gonna stay in London for a week with my best friend before I begin my journey for the University of Stirling. I'm gonna share some of my favorite London moments with you in a quick snapshot of my week at London. I now understand why people fall in love with the city. As cosmopolitan as it is, equally vibrant, colorful and romantic. No matter where I went, the city really never failed to amuse me. I've really enjoyed my time here at London with my bestie. I mean, there's nothing like spending time with your best friend, right? But I know it's time for me to move on. It's time for new adventures at Stirling. Yeah, I'm super excited that the journey finally begins and I see some wonderful landscapes. No doubt Scotland is known for its beauty. Imagine I'm going to be watching these every day at Stirling. So here I am at the University of Stirling and see who's come to welcome me. Isn't this amazing? University basking in the sun. Hey guys, so this is my room. Isn't it pretty? So I just came to Stirling and the process was seamless to find my keys and enter my room. So you can see my bag just still packed. And as you can see, there's a lot of storage space for me. So I'm really happy looking at that. And the view from here is amazing. Waking up to this view every day already feels so good. So you can see around, this is going to be my study table. I have a lot of storage space here as well. And this is the bed, which is quite big. So it's going to be very comfy sleeping here. And the room is already very cozy and cute. I can't wait to just decorate it now. So you can see there's a heater. Hi, that's me. And this is the washroom. So this is also pretty big. And you have this nice shower area. So yeah, I am really excited to set it up. Finally, after a long and tiring day of traveling from London to Stirling, I am here in my accommodation, which is super cozy and comfortable, and I love my bed. So I'm ready to crash on it now. I have already set up my room and I think I deserve a good night's sleep because my adventures at Stirling begin tomorrow. It's day 1. So I'm entering the Stirling store and here we have with us Hannah and Abby. Hi guys. How's it going? How many people did you meet since morning?
Quite a few. It's
Been
had a
busy.
busy day. Yeah.
It's a busy day. I can see the store is lovely and there are a lot of options.
Yeah. My personal favourite is the vanilla milkshake one. Yeah.
I'm going to be very confused when I have to actually make a pick from here. Are you the one who's designing these?
I am. I design all of the merchandise.
How
do
good
all of
is
the
that?
buying and come up with the new ideas and new products. And I love that. That's one of the best parts of my job.
That's amazing. So I'll just take a look around and I would take your recommendations if required.
Lovely. Okay.
Thank you. Have a great
Enjoy.
day. So that's my ultra cute hoodie, and along with this I've got some really bright diaries and pens. You did see there were a lot of options and I think I'm going to end up buying again next week. So this was my journey from India to UK and I can't wait for some new adventures ahead. So if you are a fresher, I have just 3 suggestions for you. Make as many friends as possible. That's going to be your key to happiness. Try getting out of your comfort zone, explore places, explore yourself, and try talking to as many people as you can. Because that is how you will build a sense of independence and a sense of understanding about who you are, what you like, and make new friends. Lastly, take care of all your personal belongings. May that be your student ID card, your BRP, your passport, and stay safe. But don't forget to have fun.